Next, teach everyone how to use and operate the tablet. Before starting, we need to ensure the tablet has been connected inside the tractor cabin. After connecting, we return to the tablet to begin operation. After connecting the power supply, press the power button to start the tablet. The power button light turns on. The app is now starting and loading. We need to wait patiently for a while. After loading is complete, enter the APP homepage. First, click the Settings button to enter the Job Settings page. Configure the parameters for the job we are about to perform. Next, we can sequentially set the crop height and width, number of rows and row spacing, camera mount height, look ahead and distance ahead of cultivators. First, set the crop height and crop width. Before setting, we can first click the question mark here to view the measurement reference diagram. Measure the crop height on site according to the method shown in the reference diagram. After measurement is complete, we input the measured data into the app. Measuring crop width uses the same method. Then click Next Item. The next item is row number and row spacing settings. We need to set it according to different job scenarios. For example, if we currently need to identify for rows, we can click the plus sign to set the row number to 4. When row spacing is unequal, select Unequal in the Spacing section. In the following 3 row spacing input boxes, we input the measured data in sequence. After inputting, click Next Item. Enter our camera settings. Similarly, before measuring, we can first click the question mark here. To view the measurement reference diagram, you can refer to our previous distance measurement demonstration tutorial for specific operations. After performing the specific measurement, input our measured data. After setting is complete, click Close in the upper right corner. This completes our job settings configuration. Then click General and, based on the job scenario, set the crop color. You can also click Custom to adjust the color using a color palette. You can also click the actual field crop image on the right to directly select the color. Next, set the color for the guidance line. It is basically the same as the previous operation, so no specific demonstration will be done here. Return to the home page to see the color of the guidance line we set. Here you can adjust the volume of the sound alarm. After setting, click Advanced for more component settings. Here we can turn on the sound alarm. Turn off center hydraulic unit when implement is lifted. Set the maximum offset fine-tuning distance. After setting is complete, return to the home page. You can see the offset compensation value has been adjusted to start from 0 centimeters. Return to the previously set position and turn off Camera 1. Return to the home page to see that the Camera 1 screen has been turned off. Turn it back on to restore normal function. Camera 2 is operated in the same way. For electronic ruler stroke and electronic ruler calibration, a password is required to set them. Usually, this needs to be done during the first use of the machine. Under the guidance of professional technical personnel, return to the home page. Click here to control the supplemental light on/off, generally turned on during night operations. The supplement light can better identify the seedling band. Avoid damaging seedlings during precise weeding. If there are still confusing parts during installation or use, you can click Tutorial. To view detailed operation introduction videos, we have divided it into 2 parts for a comprehensive tutorial introduction to the machine. When you need to view other relevant information about the device, you can click About Device to view. Here you can update the software and firmware for our device. Including our company's related information is also here. Next, we will set up the overall configuration file. Click back to Operation. Click Plus to create a new configuration file. Edit the configuration file name. It is now created. You can also click the small pencil icon to edit the configuration file name. If you need to delete a configuration file, scroll down to the bottom. Find the Delete button to delete it. Click the Copy button. A new configuration file will be added to the list, and the overview information for the newly added configuration file will automatically expand. The data information it contains is consistent with the copied configuration file. Click the Apply button to apply the configuration file. You can now see that we have two cameras connected. You can choose to apply this configuration file to either camera after applying successfully behind the configuration file. You can see which cameras the corresponding file is configured for. When there are many configuration files in the list, we can also use the search box in the upper left corner to enter keywords for quick searching. Click the History button to view job record information. It records our working time, area, and mileage. Below, we will introduce some precautions during the job process. If the system shows a bad tracking warning, accompanied by rapid beeping alerts, it is necessary to reduce speed at this time. If the prompt still exists after reducing speed, stop immediately. Check if scraping seedlings or row skipping has occurred. When the system shows a disconnected prompt, it is necessary to stop the vehicle immediately. Check whether the camera or the control box is disconnected according to the on-screen prompt. If it still hasn't recovered after waiting 30 seconds, then press the power button twice to restart the tablet. If it still shows disconnected after restarting, troubleshoot the corresponding wiring harness. After troubleshooting, retighten it. That's all for the tablet operation tutorial.